Alright guys, hey, today I am going to show you this Sailnovo. It's a bag that goes on top of the Jeep for storage. You can use it for a car, for a van, whatever you want. I have a hard top, so I'm going to go ahead and use it on the Jeep, but this is my first time opening it, so let's check it out. This is a mat that would go on top of the cover, and then the bag will go on top so it doesn't scratch your roof. This is the actual bag. Pretty heavy, sturdy. The bag openings. Yeah, let's check it out. So there you go. If you have a roof rack, it's definitely going to be a lot easier because you can just go around the rails. And as you see, you got these straps here, and these you put around here if there's any flapping, but there's going to be no flapping with this. So it's on there pretty tight. If you had a different kind of car, you could probably go around the back window as well, but there's no way I'll get those straps around the back. But overall, I'm happy with it. Looks good, it's secure, it's definitely not going anywhere. So yeah, check them out. So Sailnovo, I'll throw the link in the description. And yeah, it looks a little funky right now just because I got a bunch of soccer balls in there. But it's pretty big, you can put a lot of stuff in there, so